never come.
Ability never come.
Since morning.
Shey na ability na employ me for this workshop. Abi, Oga go first boy come shop. No wahala.
Oga, you dey comot again?
Which one dey comot again? Huh? Yeah, but what's up?
I see your work, bro. I would like do some set of chairs.
Oh, yeah. You're at the right place. This is the best furniture shop in this town.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
I would like do like that 3-seater and 2 singles.
Oh, you mean 3 seaters then 2 singles?
Yes, bro.
And that is not up to a set. Because the set is 3 seaters, 2 seaters, and 2 singles.
Yeah.
Okay. If his set is 1 million naira, then outside 2 singles. Okay, you give us 825,000 naira.
800.
Yes, now look at them. They're almost foreign now.
Bro,
semi-foreign.
Bros, I know the chair makes sense.
That makes sense now.
800 too much now. I be small boy, we just the hustle things now. I just the pack into my. Don't look me like this, bros.
It's over.
Don't look me like
That's
this.
why I look like this. I was down your leg.
Bros, don't see that one.
Alright, I like encouraging young boys. Okay, what's gonna happen is bring up. How much do you want to pay?
Bros, cut something for me. I will do the transfer.
Alright, I'll give you 750.
750.
Bros, if not happy, I'll leave them.
Oh yeah, no.
750 last.
Make a call account for me, alright.
Billion.
Oga.
Oh, yeah, go put that paper up.
Oga, no need that. I don't come.
Yeah, I'm not coming.
This your boy. He's smart too.
Oh, you don't come out.
Yes.
This is smart too.
I don't come.
Oh yeah, call her.
71 6120 58 Zenith Bank.
Okay. Yeah, confirm me. Don't go. Proceed.
Oh. Alright, very good. Very good.
So when I will get the chair,
in a week's time, next week.
Bros, a week too much now. Run am for me 2 days now.
2 days? How? How is it? I'm not gonna do magic for you now. You know I don't want to for you. I need to settle down. Okay, 7 days, between 7 days and 7 days. Next week you'll get it.
Hope say I will get that thing under that
100%. You don't make payments now.
So who will give me receipts now? I'll take my receipt.
Yeah, give am. Okay. I think our receipt don't finish.
Yes.
Because I don't use the local receipt. I use foreign receipt. So hopefully when you come tomorrow, next tomorrow, you check the check.
No wahala now. So far I will get my chair.
No wahala.
Thank you very much.
Nice doing.
Yeah.
I greet you. Nice one. I come.
Oga.
Wait.
Oga, drive carefully.
But you want to drive now.
Kilometer, parara. Kilometer, parara. Kilometer. Kilometer, parara. Kilometer, parara. Oga, you be ghost? Maybe you come pay for chair 2 hours ago. But you put for I don't understand. Okay, what did happen?
So susu money wey my fellow dead body people gather for me for mortuary. Make I come use do chair, give them and then for see where they want use sit down comfortably. Now your guy use go the flex woman for joint abi. I can't warn your oga. Say he better deliver my chair in 2 days. Else, I will come visit am for mortuary. And I will visit una wey be im boys.
Oga, abeg, I no know. Oga, nothing concern me o. Shebi you come 2 hours ago come pay my oga. Na for your account you send money o. Na so you collect car key from me, you zoom off, you comot. Oga, me I no know anything o. How you go come say you go visit me? If for dey there na shebi you see am for where you dey, you for visit am now. Wetin you come dey attack me? Na my oga you give money. Hey, off! Hey, wait! Hey, oga, I don't oga. I don't oga.
Wetin happen?
Wetin be say wetin? You don't see this man? Welcome here now.
Which man?
Hey!
You see me, they carry chair, they go that side now. I
Ghost
just dey hear your
visitors,
voice.
Ghost visitors, so that man wey come pay for chair 2 hours ago. He say he see Oga for junction where he carry women. Now so you come here, oh. They disturb me.
You don't start again. I just say your voice now. I don't like you know me say man no pity you now.
You don't say this man welcome here.
I don't see her now.
Hey, I don't see ghost. I tell Oga oh. I tell Oga say this is what they do. I don't like him oh. Ghost don't come now. He say he just squander money for junction with woman. He carry car key from me. You come out. Now ghost don't come. They visit me. What I want to do for? I go come out for this shop oh.
You don't start this character again.
I will come out though. I swear. What I don't know me.
I bet now you be senior boy. I bet my brother.
Me
I don't go. Me I don't go.
Go police and senior boy. What I know me oh.